A very dangerous escalation, another dangerous escalation that happened on the night of 7th and 8th is that from the Adampur, 4 projectiles were fired, which we now believe to be long-range missiles. 3 of them were targeted by the Indians inside the Indian territory in general area Amritsar. One of them crossed the airspace and entered into Pakistan airspace, and it was taken down. It was neutralized. The debris fell around general area Dinga. I will show you the electronic signature of the projectile that entered Pakistan. I would request AVM Aurangzeb to kindly explain this.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are high-speed projectiles that went higher in the upper atmosphere and then came back. So our radar is picking up, PF has the capability to pick high-speed projectiles. So our radar picked up this well in time. All 3, the ones that went up in the north at the radial of 310 in the north and then came back, landed in the Indian territory, and one of them came in at our site, which was neutralized in midair. So keeping the tactical details apart, but this is totally ridiculous kind of concept of operation where you are jeopardizing your own safety of your own people and escalating this thing to such a point which might be point of no return.
So this is near Dinga because there is a methodology, there is a way where and how to engage it, and there it was shot down and taken down. This is a part of the debris of that projectile, that long-range missile that came. Now, this is again interesting, the Indian propaganda that is going on day in, day out for last 24, 36 hours that we are seeing, that Pakistan has attacked at multiple places in India. Pakistan has attacked, Pakistan aircraft is there, and Pakistan have strike missiles and send drones and do what and I don't know what. We have got so sick and tired, and it is now we just stopped even following this sort of nonsense and stories and humor that is coming from there. The Indian journalists are themselves also saying, I never deleted tweets, but today I am deleting all tweets that I made without verifying the claims of our Indian media channels. I feel sad, not because of tweeting, but more so because I wrongly believed what I saw. As an Indian, I am fuming. Last night, our news channels fed us lies, fake strikes on Karachi, imaginary evasions, recycled videos, no facts, just drama. While citizens left feeling proud, the world watched us become a joke. This is not patriotism, it's betrayal, shameful. Another journalist, I hope the editors of all TV news media have a hard look at themselves. You were a national embarrassment last night, every single one of you. What a shame. What a mockery of journalism. This is what Pakistan has fired. At least have the sense to burn these brown fields if one of our projectile and one of our missiles has gone and hit a field. Karachi is burning. Karachi has been taken over. Go and call Karachi. Find out where it's burning. Pakistan JF-17 Thunders have been taken out. At least show me the debris of one aircraft. At least show me the electronic signature of one aircraft that Pakistan, of one UAV, one drone that Pakistan has fired there. That's why we say, don't worry. You are so fond of Pakistan firing at you, we will fulfill your demand at the time, place and means of our choosing. And I repeat, we don't need this stupid, this shameful media to tell us that they themselves are embarrassed that what they are doing. They are trying to make Indian public, they think that the world is full, that their public is full. No, the Indian public is also not full. They are also watching. You are trying to gag. You are trying to shut down the voices. You are trying to push the journalists into the prison vans and dungeons and don't know where. Listen to this. It's a joke.
In the picture, you can see supposedly a PL-15 missile that they think is lying on the floor or somewhere.
This one, I think you are referring to this one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Which they are claiming again and again it's a PL-15.
Children at science fairs make better models of this such missiles. This is neither close to a PL-15, nor does it look like a PL-15. The missile does not land like this and gets broken in the mid section. The missile self-destructs in the air after it has a burnout time. I mean, this is laughable. You can die laughing. It's very dangerous thing that they're doing.
Once you didn't want to send your manned aircraft, you sent your unmanned drones and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger. Starting from 22nd April, you couldn't provide a shred of evidence. Nobody believes in your concocted story. Everyone knows that you are lying. And then you kill citizens, civilians, innocents. You kill children. Your lie is getting clearer for everyone to see. Your cruelty, your hubristic mindset is getting clearer. Your extremism, your anger is getting clearer. So you have to satisfy. And the people inside your country, starting from 22nd April, they are asking you, what have you done? Who are these people? Why there is this security failure? Because you have no answer to them? No, you concoct stories. We have taken down F-16. Karachi is burning. Quetta is burning. Prime Minister of Pakistan has been taken to a safe location. This, that, whatever comes to your mind. Is a joke going on? These are two states. Their lives of hundreds of millions of people, thousands of millions of people at stake. The world peace is at stake. And this is what you are feeding. This is the war frenzy you are making. You watch their TV and they are showing that there are sirens going on, civil defense raids going on. So you want to create war hysteria? This is another point that I want to highlight, that we request the international media to fact check before buying their stories. This is just a very fresh story about someone who was leading the prayer, the funeral prayer of the people who died in one of the unfortunate place in this 6th, 7th, one of the mosques that was taken out. And the Indians started planting that this person who was leading is brother of someone whom they claim. You people are much more informed than me on this. Huh? So they started saying, no, listen to this. It's again sad that how people fall prey to these cooked up stories. So this is the British High Commissioner in UK. Now he is showing, the Indian High Commissioner in UK, he is showing this man and claiming him to be brother of this person.
The founder of the terrorist groups that you're mentioning. Look who's behind him. Look at the coffins there. They have the Pakistani national flag.
Match your notes. Your High Commissioner in UK is saying that this man is leading the prayers. Your media is saying he has died. So before you cook up a story, I would request our dear friends, whoever is writing the script over there of this fiction book that they are writing, that at least match the notes amongst yourself.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।